Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and trying out the EYESCREAM beauty box. Now, if you're not familiar with EYESCREAM, it's $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. They also offer a bag for $12.50 a month. That's 3 full-size items, I believe. If you use coupon code Michelle10, you're going to get 10% off of your first subscription box. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Now I'm just going to go through the unboxing really quick because I've already done the spoiler video. So we already know what's in our box. This is the card for this month. July, a summer sunset. So cute. So of course I'm going to start off with the palette because to me the palette is the star of the show. And this is the Momma Daydreams palette. Do you see how pretty this palette is? It is gorgeous. And this palette retails for $17, which is really amazing. That's really nice for 17 bucks. Next up, we have the Pure Lano Tuscan Sunset Gloss, and this retails for $25. Now I was looking at it and I was like, oh, it's cute. It's got a mirror on the side of it here. But if you push this button right here, it has a stinking light in it. Like, how insane is that? It lights up. That is so cute. You're gonna be able to see how to put it on in the dark and stuff. That's pretty crafty idea here. So next up we have the Illuminati Cosmetics gel paint liners, and these retail for $42. That's crazy expensive, huh? So I'm just gonna swatch these. Ooh, the blue is really pretty. They glide on the skin, so that's not, oh, that pink is gorgeous. That is a hot pink. It looks so good. Hopefully it shows up in the waterline that bright. Up next we have the St. Lux Beauty Highlighting Powders, and this retails for $18. And I got shade Rose Quartz. Now the shades will vary on this product, but it looks stunning. Rose Quartz, I thought it was going to be more of a pink tone, but it's looking like it's coming off as more of a golden tone. That's really pretty though. And last but not least, we have Basic Beauty Face Palette, and this retails for $30. And they're all named. So this is called Snatchral. This one's called Cinnamon, and this is Bad and Bronzy. It's adorable. So I'm actually going to start off with the bronzer palette. I think I'm going to mix the two shades here. But what I really liked about this was that it has more than one shade, so it's going to work for a lot more skin tones. So I appreciate that. This is really pretty, and it's going on really nice and smooth as well. A little bit of kickback in the palette, but not much. So I'm going to take the darkest shade, and I'm going to use that more as like a contour. And just a little bit, not a whole lot. Okay, and I already added some blush, and now I'm going to go in with the St. Lux highlighter. Whoa, that's so pretty. Well, that is gorgeous. It's very smooth. It doesn't seem to enhance my texture too much, so I love that. So I am dying to try this lip gloss. It looks like a beautiful color. Also, I want to get my lip gloss on so I can kind of do a eye look to match. So I just took a light brown liner and lined my lip. I'm just curious to see. We're going to try this whole light and mirror situation, which is actually really cool. I like the lip gloss. It feels really nice on the lips. It's a really pretty color too. I like that a lot. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. I already have my eyelids primed. So the first color I think that I'm gonna start out with is gonna be Dreamlike for my transition area. Just gonna start in the crease. I'm gonna build this color up, and I'm gonna bring it up towards my eyebrow. So this matte shade is blending out beautifully. So I think I'm going to start with Means on the inner part of my lid here. Oh my god, that is a gorgeous color. I mean, just one little swipe. Okay, so next I think I'm going to take Fantasy and put in the center portion of my lid. Oh my gosh. You guys, these shades are so buttery. They're just gliding on and the pigment is so nice. So for my outer corner here, I'm using Keep On. Wow. Well, that's beautiful. There is a little bit of fallout, but nothing terrible. I love this palette though. But I am going to say I'm probably not going to use the blue or the pink eyeliner today. But I will come back and do another video using this palette and these eyeliners. But this is just such a pretty neutral look that I don't want to add a blue or a pink to it. So I'm just going to add a black liner. So now I'm just taking a small pencil brush and using that shade Keep On. I'm just going to keep that on the outside edge of the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go into Fantasy and put that under the center portion. And then I'm going to go into Means and put that under the front part here. Wow. I'm going to use Miles Away for my inner corner and my brow bone. So I'm just going to go back in with my first brush and just blend out a little bit. And I'm going to pop my earrings in because I forgot to do that. So let's add some earrings to it. So much better. I can't believe I forgot my earrings, girl. So I'm going to jump off camera. I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I love how this look turned out. I think it looks gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to run over the products really quick. So the eyeliners I didn't try, but I am going to be filming another video doing a more colorful look. So we'll be trying those out really soon. But they swatched really pretty, like the pigment was there. So, and it glided right on, so I don't think I'm going to have an issue with them. The lip gloss, I do like the color. I really like the stinking light and mirror in it. I think that is such a crafty idea. Like, I love that about it for sure. It is just a nice neutral color. I enjoy the lip gloss. I like it a lot. The Saint Lux highlighter in Rose Quartz is really nice. I thought it was going to be a little more pink, but it's actually a little more golden toned, which I love that in a highlighter, but it's really pretty. The Base Beauty bronzer palette is really nice. I love that it has 3 different shades in here, so that way you can kind of customize your own shade. But I really did like the bronzer. I think it looked nice. It went on smooth. It wasn't patchy or muddy, so that was nice. I mean, the palette is gorgeous. The shimmers are like butter in here. They just glide on so nicely. I love them. I love that you can create a colorful look out of here, but you can also create a neutral look because not everybody likes to use a ton of colors. But I can't wait to get back in here and try out some of these pinks, and that purple looks gorgeous. So yeah, I'm super excited to keep playing around with this palette and see what else we can create with it. So this was definitely my favorite product out of the box. Let me know down in the comments what is your favorite product out of this box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.